Jackie, surrounded by senators and healthcare professionals, Governor Jared Polis laid out an ambitious plan today to help cut down on your medical costs. Denver 7's Megan Lopez takes a look at how the governor is trying to tackle the problem.
We really are making history here in Colorado.
With an entourage of state senators by his side and an ambitious plan in hand,
We have a very specific roadmap.
Governor Jared Polis unveiled his strategy to tackle the rising cost of health care in Colorado.
These are actual savings for people.
In the short term, the governor wants to boost price transparency and get rid of surprise out-of-network costs, among other things.
Coloradans are sick and tired of being ripped off.
In the long term, he wants to launch a state-backed health insurance option and focus on prevention, all to help people like Peg Ellefson.
I'm a project manager by nature.
Peg is not only an entrepreneur, but
I am a breast cancer survivor.
and like so many others, she worried about money during her treatment.
You're dealing with a life and death illness, a life and death decisions, and you also have these bills coming in.
Ellefson says healthcare is expensive even now that she's healthy. She's hoping this plan will help her bottom line.
It sounds like with the next rate release that we might start seeing savings.
But Josh Winkler
So the focus can't only be on the private side.
was looking for a little more from the announcement.
I was hoping to hear a little bit more about how they're making sure Medicaid was safe and solid.
And the plan relies on state lawmakers to do a lot of the heavy lifting. There's 10 bills that would need to make their way through the state capitol and onto the governor's desk before the session closes out next month. Still,
We're cautiously optimistic that most, if not all, of the items that are being worked on will be completed.
a little optimism and a lot of work to make this roadmap a reality. Megan Lopez, Denver 7.
One day